Hey, welcome to another one of our episodes. Today we'll do something really simple. Chili lime chicken. And what are you going to make?
The glaze.
She's making a glaze. You can also use this glaze for a marinade.
Mm-hmm.
Is it going to be thin enough where they could use it as an injection also?
Not really, because I put some of the orange zest in it, so
Okay.
I don't think it'd go.
All right. So you could use it, so you could use it for a marinade, or if they wanted to filter it
Right.
through a strainer, then they could use it for an
Right,
injection.
yeah.
Okay. Hope you stay with us. If this chicken has been brining overnight, I had a gallon of water, a cup of kosher salt, and then a half a cup of brown sugar, right? Very simple brine. Just mix it up in the pot. You put the chicken in there and let it sit in the fridge overnight. Great way to add moisture to the chicken. All I want to do now is just dry this chicken off. Well, not really dry it off. I mean, you will dry it off, sorry. But the real intent here is to wipe off any excess salt laying around the top of this chicken. No need to take it inside in the sink and rinse it off. If you don't over brine it, 2, 3, 4 days, you won't have to worry about excess salt. Just leave it in the fridge 12 hours. You come out here and just wipe it off with some paper towels and you're ready to go. So as soon as I get this chicken all wiped off, I'll show you how we're going to prep it for this pellet smoker. I've got the chicken all wiped off, and what we're going to do is I'm going to inject this today with this ass-kicking chili lime injection, right? The folks at Ass Kickin' sent me this out to give it a try. And by the way, I'm going to give one of these away. They sent me two, one for me to try out and one to give away. So you're going to have to watch this video if you want to figure out how to enter for a chance to win this. Now, I have tasted it. It's not real spicy. And if you don't have it, you don't have to do it, because we're also going to make a sauce to glaze this chicken with during this video. And you can use this same sauce as a marinade, or you could even inject it if you wanted. Okay, so I'm just going to come in here, nothing fancy, right? Just going to, about every inch, inject up this chicken. And when I get it all injected up, we'll be back and talk about seasoning these guys before we put them on the smoker. Now, 2 pieces of these breasts I didn't season up. I'm just going to use the marinade. We're going to make the glaze on it, and just to kind of compare the difference. And I got a little extra here you can see that came out of the chicken. I'm just going to rub it in. And like I say, we're going to show you how to make a glaze for this that you can use for an injection, and or you could use it for a marinade if you like to marinate your chicken. But, when you get this extra injection, there's no reason to waste it, right? Just kind of rub it around. Now, you could certainly at this point season the outside of this, right? With your favorite chicken rub, favorite barbecue rub. All I'm going to do today is hit this with a little salt and pepper. I've just got just a little kosher salt here, nothing fancy. Like I said, I'm just going to hit it up with a little salt, little cracked black pepper. This might be the first chicken I ever made where I didn't put some kind of seasoning on, chicken rub or barbecue rub. I got this Pit Boss pellet smoker set on 400 degrees, and I'm using a blend of hickory and cherry wood today. I am going to cook a little hotter than usual. Like I say, 400 degrees. We're going to get these quarters on here. All right. Going to get a temp probe in these quarters, or one of the quarters anyway, so we can keep an eye on the temperature of the chicken itself. We'll check on them 30-40 minutes. Now, if you guys want to win free one of these ass-kicking marinade, injection, chili lime, here's what you got to do. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. We'll have a random comment picker select the comment, and then we'll ship it out to you.
So I'm going to make some chili lime sauce for the chicken. All right, I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And then everything else I'll have in the description box, but I'll try to remember. So there's 2 tablespoons of lime juice. And then this is a tablespoon of pepper, a teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of chili powder. This is orange zest, and it's just a teaspoon, or a tablespoon, I'm sorry, it's a tablespoon. And then 2 tablespoons of cilantro. It's a little bit more because I like cilantro. This is black garlic, and it is 4 teaspoons. And then there's a tablespoon, or 2 tablespoons, I'm sorry, of the chili sauce. And this is a 1/4 cup of honey. Okay, I'm going to heat this all up. And hopefully this comes out really good. Never used black garlic before. Jeff just got this in the mail. He says that it's going to be really good. It smells good. All right, so I'm just going to get this to simmer, and then I'm going to take it off, let it cool down, and we're going to put it on the chicken, and then we'll be good to go.
Okay, it's been about 50 minutes, and this chicken is right around 155, so we're going to glaze it. Now you can see this sauce, Tammy, man, I hope you can see that anyway. It's real dark in color, and that's from the black garlic. If you use regular garlic, yours won't be dark like this. Okay, we're just going to glaze it up. Oh, look at that. Makes you think we put soy sauce or something in it, but definitely did not. I'm just going to glaze this top side, get the lid back down. All right, it's been 50 total minutes. I just went back and checked all my times. This chicken is at 164. We're going to get it off here. It's looking great today. Like I say, we cooked at 400 degrees. It's got that darker color on the top from that black garlic glaze. Black garlic, chili, lime. We're just going to get this off here, let it rest 10 minutes, and then give it a taste test. Okay, our chicken's been resting here 10 minutes. Just a real quick recap. I brined them, gallon of water, cup of kosher salt, half a cup of brown sugar, 12 hours. Took them out, injected them with this ass-kicking chili lime. And then y'all saw Tammy made that, what would you call it? Would it be a chili lime and black garlic marinade? You saw that? So if you don't have this, you can use that same marinade that she made that we used to glaze. You could you could take half of it, marinate your chicken in it, and you could glaze it. You don't have to have this. By the way, you want to win it, leave a comment down below. You ready to do a taste test?
I am.
All right.
I've been kind of waiting all day.
Waiting all day?
Yeah.
All day?
All day. Well, I didn't eat breakfast.
Oh, I did.
I know.
Okay. Oh, I can see the injection in there.
That looks so
Look
good.
at that. Okay. Look how moist that is. I don't know how much the camera picks up, but it is full of moisture.
It looks so good.
Is that the piece you want?
Yeah,
With some
but
skin?
I want some skin on it.
Of course.
I want you to work harder.
Actually, how about that? Oops. We need a more experienced chicken cutter here. Okay, I think there's some skin.
Perfect.
It's a big bite, but you can do it, right?
Yeah.
There, I'll cut
I
it
have
in
a big
half.
mouth.
I didn't say that. I didn't say that.
You were thinking
Okay,
it.
there's yours. Okay. And look, you can see that injection in there. I hope you can see it right here. This is the injection here.
Sadie's wanting some too. Can you hear?
I don't know if you can see that. It's got moist there. That's the dog. Always the dog. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
Oh, so good. Oh, that's delicious. No, it's really good.
Okay. So let me eliminate one thing right away. There's nothing spicy about it, is there?
No, it was so flavorful.
It is not spicy.
Wow.
I get the lime
really good.
right away.
It is delicious.
Moisture. I'm not supposed to say that word, am I?
No, moist is a bad word.
What do I say?
I
It's
don't-
definitely not dry. How about
no,
that?
It's not dry.
There's your
I
piece.
don't know if that's good either.
I get the lime. I get the lime again. I'm telling you, it's moist.
It's so good.
The chili, it's a chili flavor, not a chili spice. Definitely get chili flavor.
Oh, it's so good.
It is good. And do you know what that earthiness is from?
That's from the black garlic?
Yes.
Yeah, I like it.
Now, y'all know I'm a breast guy. So I'm going to try this chicken breast. Do you want a bite of this?
Yeah, I do.
All right. Got a chicken breast here. There's a bite for you. There's a bite for me.
It's so good.
It is good.
The thigh's better.
It's not as moist as the thigh, right? Not as juicy as the thigh. But
The thigh's better than the breast.
I took the...
Okay, it
Um,
is.
I lost my whole train of thought. The chicken breast I should have took out probably about 3 or 4 degrees earlier. It's not like dry, like not good. I'm just saying it's like she said, it's not nearly as moist
It's so
and
good.
juicy as these thighs. Look, y'all probably tired of watching us eat. Thanks for watching another one of our videos. You saw how easy this was, right? The sauce she
good.
made was good. You can use that sauce. You know, you don't have to have the marinade. But I tell you
should
what,
get that black garlic.
this marinade is good. And the black garlic's awesome. It's the first
Yeah.
time we've cooked with it. It gives it like a, what would you call it, earthiness?
Yeah, it's
Gives it a real earthiness kind of flavor.
delicious.
I can't remember what I said. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell. Thank you.
No, you're supposed to say, please hit the bell.
Please.